TN72 is easy to install and is the obvious way to upgrade your Trig transponder to ADS-B out. It's popular with gliders, light sport and certified aircraft in Europe. This unit is certified to TSO C199 and is intended for voluntary equipage in Europe. In the US, light sport and experimental pilots can use the TN72 in combination with a Class 1 Trig transponder to fly in ADS-B rule airspace. Again, it offers a unique package that makes the cost of ADS-B out affordable and convenient. Trig has two GPS antenna options for the TN72. The TA70 is a lightweight, ideal retrofit unit. It has superior mounting properties with a weatherproof gasket seal. The space-saving TA50 is a highly compact GPS antenna. It's the popular option in aircraft where space is at a premium. Check out our website for information.